Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Welcome to day 12 of Vlogmas. Can we take a minute to get into these festive earrings from the Dollar Tree? And this cute Naughty is the new nice t-shirt from Walmart. Loving it. So in today's video of Vlogmas day 12, I'm going to be bringing you 12 of my favorite hairstyles of 2021. These are my top pick 12 hairstyles that I have done on myself, also premiered on my YouTube channel, as well as on my Instagram page. If you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out. Let's get into these hairstyles. And by the way, this hair is courtesy of Uncle Funky's daughter. If you did not see my last vlog, make sure that you click the link above and check that video out as well. But let's get into my 12 favorite hairstyles of 2021. So hairstyle number 12 are these super cute crochet faux locks using hair from Nubia's crown. Style number 11, this super cute wash and go with Uncle Funky's daughter's products. Next up, style number 10, these super cute double puffs using some Afro puffs from Amazon. Style number 9 was created using clip-ins from Kinkestry and these cute tribal flat twist. Style number 8, finger coils for the win using products from Theravada Organics. Style number 7, my best wash and go of all times using Rizzo's curls. Style number 6, my most liked photo on Instagram from this year, twist and curl using Camille Rose Naturals. Style number 5, this super cute twist and curl using Comet Biologics and Gemini Naturals. Style Hairstyle number 4, my favorite protective style, spring twist. And at number 3, another one from Kinkistry, this beautiful wash and go using clip-ins from Kinkistry. And at number 2, changing spring twist into faux locks. Absolutely love this style. And in at number 1, this beautiful bun faux hawk inspired by one of my curl friends. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below which hairstyle was your favorite. Also, let me know if you'll try one of these hairstyles out. Thanks again for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.